G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 21, 2023. This is the natural gas price update. As you can see here, we drew this key support area on our last update and it's actually punched through there. It's a pretty strong decline, pretty strong bearish environment for natural gas, although there is a bit of a divergence here happening on the hourly chart. So just be mindful that we may get a slight resistance happening still along this area, and we may see a bit of a retracement to the upside possibly, and I say possibly because there's no guarantees in life in general, but especially in trading there's only probabilities. So at the moment natural gas is going quite strongly to the downside, and this is the only sign of a potential reversal on this key support area. But otherwise, looking at the chart in detail for those that are following it, we do trade the CCI 1500 moving average direction. So if it's declining this way on a daily, we take shorter time period trades on the short side, but we do be careful of these sort of environments where there is a divergence. So the CCI 1500 on a daily is declining pretty strongly still, and also the stochastic is broken down through the midpoint and approaching the oversold, so still got some ways to go it seems. On the hourly though, if you look at here, we drew a couple of a bit of a channel here on the price chart and also the CCI indicator, and it's broken out of that channel. And likewise, the stochastic on the 1 hour chart is broken up, but also again now it's broken down again in line with that price action. Anyway, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference some of the playlists at the end of this video. We don't use stop losses, we only use average down approach and trade with a longer term time period on the shorter time frames. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.